Size Super Simple Recipes number 31. Avocado Prawn Toast. Now, I haven't posted for a while, and the reason is it looks like my wife might be coming home from hospital next week after 14 months of languishing in Rookwood Hospital. Thank fuck for that. So that's the main reason that I haven't posted anything. What we're going to look at today is such a simple recipe, but what I want to do first is talk about avocado. I first came across avocado in the 1970s when my father used to take the whole family to various restaurants in West London, and I first came across it in a Spanish and Mexican cuisine. Guacamole, everyone's heard of, and quite often the Spanish will serve avocado with fish, grilled sardines or mackerel. It's delightful, but prawns with it is a classic. So let's just talk about avocados first. They seem to be a Marmite sort of thing in that people either love them or hate them. But the trick is, with more than any other fruit I know, you need to get touchy-feely with it in the store. Pick them up. If you can gently squeeze it and you feel the flesh give, or if you just gently indent it and the indent stays, they're normally good to go. The worst thing ever are hard, unripened avocados, because it tastes like fucking soap. It's just awful. This one I've already used half of it. Also, if you leave them even in the fridge, they start to go grey and black where the flesh is exposed. Simple trick, little bit of lemon juice, and that, because that's been in the fridge for half a day now. What we're going to do, I've got some nice tiger bread. It's only a small loaf, and I'm going to cut a couple of pieces and toast them first. So I'll quickly cut some slices and we'll stick them in the toaster, and then I can come back once I like a doorstop size. So they're quite small pieces, but it'll be ideal for what we want to do. So I'll chuck those in the toaster and I'll come back once they're toasted. While we're waiting for the toast to pop, I'm quickly going to prepare this. All I'm going to do is cut it in half again. Now this particular one is a Mexican produce of Mexico, and it's a hard skinned avocado. You're going to need to get your hands in, but my hands are clean, and all we want to do, it's another way of telling how ripe your avocado is to peel off the skin. As I say, this is a hard skin one, so the skin tends to crack. You can see how soft that is underneath. So we're going to lift off all this skin, because you don't want skin in your avocado. Come on, gently. I mean, if you get a really nice soft skinned ripe one, that'll just peel off in a single piece. But this one, they tend to snap with these hard skinned ones. And that's pretty much all the preparation. Wow, that's a good avocado. So as soon as our toast popped, we'll get on and put it all together. Okay, so my tiger bread toast is now popped. I'm going to do a few things which seem a little counterintuitive, but a bit of salt on your toast, some good extra virgin olive oil. This is Greek, to actually soak into the toast rather than butter. We're going to take a piece of our avocado onto that side, a piece of that avocado onto that side. Just use up those last little bits, and then we're going to sort of mash it up a bit. You can see how soft that is. That's how you want your avocado. If it's hard, and soapy, it will be horrible. They're just not nice at all. You can see how easy it would be to make guacamole when they're this soft though. I'm going to give that another quick glass of salt, and then we're going to simply sprinkle our prawns on the top of that. Like I say, this is a super simple recipe. The only thing now is we need some acid to cut through both the unsaturated fats in the avocado and the olive oil a little bit. You can use a bit of red wine vinegar, a bit of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to just put some black pepper, not a lot, and for my acid, you can use fresh lemon if you got it, but I've just got some lemon juice. Size, super simple avocado prawn toast. Job done.